Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 4. First, understand the three core game modes: multiplayer, Blackout, and zombies. Each offers a distinct experience. Next, familiarize yourself with the Specialist system, which provides unique abilities like Ruin's Grav Slam or Seraph's Annihilator. Finally, practice the basic controls and user interface to ensure smooth gameplay. Knowing these fundamentals will set you up for success across all modes. To master multiplayer, select a specialist that aligns with your preferred combat style, whether it's aggressive or supportive. Effectively deploy your score streaks, like the UAV or attack chopper, to gain a tactical advantage over opponents. Always maintain strong map awareness, anticipating enemy movements and controlling key objectives such as hardpoints or domination flags. Teamwork and communication are crucial for securing victories in this fast-paced environment. In Blackout, the Battle Royale mode, your initial priority is to quickly loot for essential items. Seek out armor, powerful weapons, and medical supplies like trauma kits. Always keep an eye on the shrinking safe zone, moving strategically to avoid taking damage outside the circle. When playing in duos or quads, coordinate with your squad, sharing resources and engaging enemies together to increase your chances of being the last team standing. For Zombies mode, begin by learning the intricate map layouts and the locations of vital perks, such as Juggernog for increased health or Speed Cola for faster reloading. Upgrade your weapons at the Pack-a-Punch machine to significantly boost their damage output against increasingly difficult waves of undead. Work collaboratively with your teammates, completing objectives and reviving fallen allies to survive as many rounds as possible and uncover the map's secrets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.